Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this door security stopper, and the brand was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now I've already got it installed here. It's really easy to install. As you see, this door is going nowhere. That's really solid on there. I was giving that a good tug. So this is a nice extra layer of security. Say you're in a hotel room, something like that, and you want to ensure that your door, has that little bit of extra. We'll go ahead and take this off, and I'll show you how to install it and how easy it is to take off. So right here, just give this a nice little spin, and you can take it off. And we get it here to the end, and then we'll slow that down a bit. This just pulls off right here, and these do adjust. So like mine here is a little bit not, it's not flush. That won't be a problem. You can just adjust these. So whether it is flush or not flush, not a problem. And then you just open this up and boom, it's completely removed. And then the same thing here, whenever you want to install it, you just put it in there. Sometimes got to work that a little bit, ensure it's in there. And then we're going to do the same thing, but in reverse. Again, you can adjust these if you need to. We'll go ahead and put it on here, make sure it's nice and flush. And then we're going to spin our little wing nut on here. I am right-handed, so it's easier if I do this with my right hand. There you go. And then again, align these, get that on there, and you'll feel it start to tighten up. And then as it does, just kind of keep wiggling it. That way it's on there nice and secure. Can already hear that wood cracking a little bit. This thing puts a lot of torque on there. And then boom, once again, it's installed. Like I said, I can really pull on that and it is not going anywhere. So if you're looking for a little bit of extra security on your door, go ahead and check this one out.